Hi guys! Let's review some of the words which are related to the family. Family tree. This is me, Jenny. Me. Sister. She is my baby sister. Brother. He is my brother. Mother. She is my mother. Father. He is my father. Grandmother. She is my grandmother. She is also my grandmother. Grandfather. He is my grandfather. Wonderful! Now it's your turn to draw me your family tree. I'm excited to see them.